Hello from the workshops here at the Bodmin Railway. Here's a short video on the progress of the heavy overhaul of 1944 built Cador Austerity number 2766. As you can see, here is the firebox and boiler. This big hole here is where the tube plate used to live. We've had to remove the tube plate due to cracking between the tube holes. So we've removed that and we've just fabricated a new tube plate in-house. So let's go and have a look. So here we have the new tube plate that has been fabricated in-house. Next to it we have one of the two side skirts which have been fabricated and are now ready to be welded on. And next to them there we have the new tubes ready to be fitted once the tube plate's fitted. And we're looking at fitting the tube plate in the next week or two. We'll go over to Will now, who's in the firebox. Hi little Will, how's it going?
Yeah, all good. Today I've been here tooling the copper patch screws that we've had to fit during this overhaul on the boiler. During our last time in the ticket, we found that the steel rivet heads and the copper rivet heads, mostly copper ones, were deteriorated that far that this time round we've had to do what would be a temporary repair in BR, but it's considered a full-time repair now in preservation. You fit a copper patch screw instead, so you take the rivet out, thread the hole, countersink it, and then you fit a copper stud, and then you tool it to the shape of a rivet head.
Nice glasses. So here we are in the railway's welding bay. I'm here with Matt. What are you up to, Matt?
So I'm in here fabricating a new ash pan for the Austerity. The old one was no longer fit for service. So we've had a new one designed. Our apprentice Finley's done a 3D model of it. It's had some small modifications to make the dampers slightly larger. And yeah, we've had it laser cut from sheet steel for ease of fabrication.
Oh, that sounds mega. Let's go and see what Finley's up to. Hi Finn, so what are you up to, mate?
So I'm here assisting contractor Dave with line boring our new way shaft bearings.
Oh, okay, so what's that mean?
So that basically means making both of the bearings parallel so that the way shaft runs smoothly.
Oh, right, oh, nice one, mate. We're currently running a fundraising appeal for the overhaul of our Austerity, so if you'd like to donate, please follow the link. Really hope that you've enjoyed this short video update on what we're currently doing on the locomotive. Thanks for watching and all the best.